Alright, so we are going live right now. Hello. I'm with my friend Marcus.
Hi guys.
That is so cringe. Yeah. Alright, so what should we do now? There's my dog. Hello, doggy. Doggy. Doggy! Hey, doggy. Alright, so we're gonna be doing street hockey. You know what? Marcus, you hold the camera. Put it on me, since I'm awesome. We're gonna be doing some street hockey. What's up?
Come on, stop it.
Alright, let's go. You can come in. Nah. Alright, so let's go. I'm just saying hi to my friendly old I don't know how old he is. I'm not gonna say that anyway. So let's just go. My awesome hockey skills. Oh yeah. Hockey skills. And if you can't tell, we're in stupid old Wisconsin, where it rains during spring, which is, never mind, I can't say that, which is flipping stupid. Yeah. It sprinkled for 2 minutes and it stopped.
I know that's pretty
Nice.
good. Oh,
Alright, let's go. You can come on, shoot. Alright, we're just gonna be doing some shooting. I know Coach Jeremy good, but I'm pretty good. We're gonna turn this into an ASMR. We're gonna turn this into an ASMR. We're gonna be tapping on this.
oh my god.
Yeah. Never trust an ASMR person. Alright, let's go. We're gonna do my first shot, which is gonna be a slap shot. Hell yeah. Hey, car. Go get it.
Who cares about the car?
Oh crap, they're coming on the street. Let's do a slap shot quick. Focus on the ball. Nothing but the ball.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, went all the way up there. Oh! Oh my gosh!
I can't see the camera can't even see it.
This is like doing perfect stuff. Alright, if you follow me, as you can tell, you see no ball. No ball. So, I'm going to show you just what happened. Because Marcus had to, never mind. So, I bounced off of here, and went into here. This is some doing perfect stuff. We should title this Insane Trick Shots.
It's that green ball, that
What's
tiny
up?
one, right there.
And we did not put that in there. As you can see, I took a shot, which sucked butt, but it went in there. No. Yeah, I'm gonna get close up on my butt. Right. We're gonna be doing another ASMR.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Oh, we got a young car. We got a young dog. Hey!
Get Link. What?
Get on the street.
I just felt like it.
Young doggy. Hey, get the license plate. Focus on the back of the car. Get the license plate. Screw. That's 769-7888. I think so. Just so I could see. There. Now you can call the cops or track us, and you'll know where we live. Then you can come kill me in my sleep. Woo! Even though everyone subscribed to me knows where I live. Well, 85%.
Not everybody knows where he lives, but most people.
Some random strangers do, right?
Yeah.
That's why I deleted my Instagram, because never mind, sucks. At flipping sucks. Alright, let's do another shot.
Okay.
Focus on the ball. Nothing but the ball. Hey! They should have run the block. Alright, let's go, Marcus. Let's go. We're gonna turn this into like a 30-minute video, just us being stupid. Alright, slap shot number 2. Let's see who will go in. Post your comments below. out of mine. Hey!
Dude, I was about to pick it up. Give it to me. Really? Dude, this is weird.
Ready, guys? Right between the legs. Right between the legs. Doggy. Oh.
They're leaving again.
Hey, show the license plate this time. I'll get it this time. So it is 7697R8. I think. So, track us down. Don't be afraid to kill me in my sleep, Marcus. He lives right next door to me.
You had to?
Yeah.
And actually, don't kill Marcus.
Yeah.
Gee.
Because he's in the friendly neighborhood, little good boy. I'm gonna be a little pretty princess.
Whoa! Some green
okay.
thing just.
Hey, let's show your address.
No.
So his address is 1026 New York Drive. That what? It's true. Say yes.
Yeah, that is actually, but still, I was. What was that?
So I'm gonna be dumb. I'm gonna do a golf shot, which goes really super duper far. So go that way. All right,
All the way down
how far
there.
did it go?
Like all the way down.
You're gonna be surprised at how far it goes. Did I just say how far it goes?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do how
I
far
think
it goes. Let's go. Hey, why are you getting Hey! Over there. Watch. Woo!
Where'd the ball go?
It's all the way in that driveway.
I
As
can't
far as the eye can see. It's over there. Let's go. We're gonna take an adventure. We're gonna be Dora the Explorer.
That's just dumb.
Hey! Swiper, no swiping. Can you see the ball? Which one's the ball? It's either that one. Never mind, let's go.
I can't even see the ball.
Alright, never mind. I got a surprise for you. Alright. Let's go. Let's keep going. Keep going. All the way down here.
Oh, it went by the
Alright,
trailer.
Don't tell him. You know what? We're gonna do some Dora the Explorer. Stay right here.
Okay.
Alright. Hold the ball. Or no, put the camera on the ball.
Okay.
Alright. Come closer. Let's go closer. Alright. Let's do Dora the Explorer stuff. So, can you see the ball? Is it this one? Is this one? Or is this one? Which one is it? Is it number 1, 2, or 3? Which one do you think it is? Alright, guess what one do you think it is?
The green ball?
Number 1, 2, or 3?
Number 1.
Oh my gosh, you're so good at this game. Oh my gosh, if you got that, you should get $1 million. Let's go. Alright, let's go. You guys see me rolling. Alright, young Dougie. We're gonna try to get it into my yard.
Okay.
Keep your eye on the ball, my coach says. On this one, you want to keep your eye on the yard. the sewer.
Oh, dude.
That would have been fun.
I actually seen it go into the yard.
Alright, let's go. Hey, stop showing your little fingers. What's so funny about that? They're tiny.
That's what?
Huh? I didn't say anything. It almost went into here. It was so close. Hey, do you want me to drop my hockey stick? Oh my gosh, it could actually fit. It could actually fit. Wow. It could actually fit. Never mind. I don't want to drop my hockey stick down.
And he just put some of it in the water.
And yeah, it's wet. That's what she said. It's wet. Nice and wet. That's what she said. Hey, stop getting close-ups on my boobs. You know, you go in front of me. Alright, let's do some more Dora the Explorer. Wait, go right here. Can you see the ball? Is it this one, or this one? Number 1, 2, or 3? Marcus, what do you think it is?
1.
1?
Yeah.
Alright, it's number 1, okay. Alright, we did it. Number 1. This is the ball.
No.
You said number 1.
No.
Alright, I'll say it again. Number 1, 2, or 3? What do you think it is?
3.
Alright then. Dora the Explorer gone wrong. Alright, let's go. Oh. Ooh, yeah. It's nice and wet. Hell
He got his hockey stick nice and wet.
no, I got my stick nice and wet.
Yeah, that
That's what
too.
she said. My stick is so wet. It's drenched. That's what she said. You know what, Marcus? This is for you. I missed. Alright, let's do some more Dora the Explorer.
Okay.
Alright. Do you see the ball? Which one is it? This one? This one? This one? Or this one? Number 1, 2, or 3? What one
2?
is this? You think it's 2? This one? Alright, let's go play some hockey. Woo, we can play some hockey.
Oh my god.
Never mind. Let's just say number 3. Let's go. Hey, Mike, watch this. You ready? Watch the dog. I missed. Watch the dog again. Ah! Follow me, young Padawan.
La la la.
Oh my gosh! I hate Star Wars.
Ow!
Checked. I checked him.
Jim.
Focus on the guy. Focus on the guy. Look at him. He's gonna walk into his driveway. Look at him. That's what he's saying. He's gonna kill us all. Sit there. Sit there. Okay. His name is Matt Bart. His age is 1 year old. Let's go.
Dude, I need to get my thumb a rest. My thumb is
Your thumb?
My thumb.
Checked. Get checked.
It's really sore. Yeah. More Dora Explorer, I get. Let me
Alright.
guess.
Which one's the ball? This one, or this one? Number 1, 2, or 3? What one?
3?
No, it's number 1. Say number 1.
1.
Alright, this one's the ball.
Wait, what?
You got the ball?
I thought I had it correct.
No. Alright, this is the ball.
Oh my god.
Alright, what do you think it is? Number 1 or 2?
2.
Alright, this one's the ball. Alright, let's go. I'm trying to make a goal. Oh, I missed! Dang! Alright, let's try again. I missed again, dang. Which one do you think it is? 2 or 1?
1.
Alright, you're smart. Hold on here. I think I broke it.
We think he broke his hockey stick. Dude, it actually looks like it's day out right now. Look.
Day out? You really think it's
Like
day
day
out? Oh my gosh, it's morning time.
It looks actually like it's morning time. It's actually nighttime, guys.
No, it's not. It's morning time. It's 7 in the morning.
I think my eyes need to be checked then.
Hey, should I be PewDiePie and say the N-word?
No!
I got a fart. I had ravioli for dinner. It was nasty, but whatever. You know what? We're having some technical difficulties. Let me see the camera. Here. Hold on. Alright, so, hello. That's Marky.
Oh my god!
Hold up. Stay right there. I'm going to get a close-up on your eye. That close-up. Look. Close. Can you see his eye? Oh my gosh! That looks so weird! Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! We just got a good close-up of his cornea. Alright. So, what we gotta do? Oh my gosh. Stay right there. This is another close-up. Hold on. Oh, what? No. No. We got a bunch of girls coming over. Like, look at look at Marcus. She's looking at the girls.
I was like, wait, what?
That reminds me of that one Vine of that kid that's looking at those girls. That's what it reminds me of.
They look like Girl Scouts.
They are. How'd you know?
Because they're carrying.
Why do you keep looking at the girls? Why do you keep looking at those girls?
Because they're scared of your dog.
Why do you keep looking at those girls? You have a crush?
No.
Ooh, why are you laughing?
It's funny that they are running away from your dog.
Blood clearers. Alright. So, I have some technical difficulties. I gotta take a pee. So we'll be right back. After this quick message. Say hi.
Hi.